Arrive in style with this 2012 Ford Edge Say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: variable speed intermittent wipers, rear bench seat, auxiliary audio input, AC, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, and floor mats. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.